I, O, and U are vowels. But did you know there is another letter that sometimes likes to act like a vowel? It's the letter Y. Sometimes, when it's acting like a vowel, it makes the long E sound, like in baby, pretty, and funny. Other times, it makes the long I sound, like in my, cry, and fry. Let's find words where Y acts like a vowel. Click all the words with the long E sound spelled with a Y. Then click OK to check your answer. Heavy, quickly, belly, very, story, funny. That's correct. Story, quickly, heavy, belly, very, and funny all have a Y that makes the sound E. Click all the words with the long I sound spelled with a Y. July, sky, by, Y, fly, dry. Excellent job. Dry, July, fly, by, sky, and Y all have a Y that makes the sound I. You're great at finding words where Y is disguised as a vowel.